In this video, we're going to take a look at patterning one of our components in our 3D model that would show up on our cross sections. In this case, our top asphalt surface course. The first thing we have to do is in our corridor file, before we cut our sheets, we're going to open up Explorer and we're going to navigate down to our active file, feature symbologies, and go to surface. And we have to figure out exactly what element template we need to modify. And so I'm going to be looking at our road asphalt here. So I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to select properties. And you'll see here the path to the element template. So CAD levels, civil pavements, pavement pattern, asphalt. So we want to go to that element template in our active file, CAD levels, civil, pavements, pavement pattern, asphalt. We want to right click and we want to add under pattern and hatching properties. And by default, you can use a distance here of 0.01. And I'm going to leave it set to a 45 degree. And once we have our element template modified, then we have to assign that element template to our asphalt properties. So under element selection, I'm going to expand and I'm going to choose the level, which is C, pavement, asphalt. And that's going to put all those in the selection set. Make sure you have your properties panel opened here. With your selection created, then you'll want to go ahead and pick that element template. I've done it here just for easier navigation. But again, I'm under CAD levels, civil, pavements, pavement, asphalt. So you'll select that element template. That'll be set to none by default, by the way. Once that's done, I'm going to go over to my cross-section sheets file where I've just got everything referenced in. I'm going to close Explorer and Properties panel, and then we can go ahead and cut our sheets. Just a little tip, you might want to go ahead and set your default level, G, Anno, no plot, to get your name boundaries to be on the right symbology. So G, Anno, no plot, and then I'll save settings. Then I'm going to go to drawing production and place name boundary. I'm going to do, in this case, I'll just do a 10 and 5 with notes. And I'll pick my baseline alignment. I'll set my starting station and I'll set my ending station and allow those to go ahead and draw. And so now if we look at our asphalt surface course, you'll see that it has the cross-hatching available in there. And if you want to adjust that size, I used a 0.001. If you don't want that to be nearly as tight, you can make that number larger and it'll space it out more. But that's how you can do cross-patterning in a component on your cross-sections using the Army Corps workspace.